Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a folder to Microsoft Teams for Office 365 web-based on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let's start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Office 365, can be for work, school, or a business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the Launchpad, go to your web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com, make sure you are signed into the account, go to Teams. Before we do anything, let's just minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Make sure we do have a folder that we will be uploading to Teams so we can see the work folder on the desktop. Let's just double click on this. We have some documents within this folder. Let's just close out of the work folder, go all the way down to the dock. Again, go back to Google Chrome. Go within a team, go within a channel. Now we are in general. Let's just go to files. Now click on new, or we can go to upload files or a folder. Click on folder. I see the work folder. Let's just upload. This will upload all files from work. Only do this if you trust the site. Upload yes. We do. And now the work folder has been uploaded to Teams within our Teams. Let's just click on work. And there we have all the files that are within the work folder on the desktop. So we're going to go back to general, go back to posts, go to files, and there we have the folder. Quit Google Chrome. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.